Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link media in Premiere Pro Full Guide. Start by locating offline or missing clips in the project panel and right-click to choose Link Media. Point Premiere to the parent folder rather than single files to speed matching. Enable Relink Others automatically when file names match to restore many clips at once. Verify sequence playback and check frame rates to ensure everything matches. When relinking multiple clips, keep your folder structure consistent to help Premiere match files quickly. Select all affected clips, choose Link Media, then browse to the top-level folder that holds your assets. Use the file name and media start time options to refine matches when file names differ. If proxies are present, toggle Attach Proxies to swap between high-resolution and proxy files as needed during editing without breaking links. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful editing content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on long edit sessions with the Owala water bottle you saw here. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold for hours, which is perfect during marathon renders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Switching between proxies and full resolution is safe when proxies are attached correctly to the master clips. Keep proxies in a predictable folder structure and name them with clear suffixes so you can relink quickly. To update footage with a corrected file, use Replace Footage on the master clip to preserve edits and effects. Always confirm match properties like timecode, frame rate, and pixel aspect to avoid subtle playback problems later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.